Well, happy Sunday, and thanks for spending your evening here at KOAA. I want to take a moment to show off some of the pictures that were sent in to us by some of our viewers. This one was sent in by Stan. This was the Pueblo sunset Saturday evening, and you really can't beat the sunsets here with just how gorgeous those colors are. Another one that was sent in by David Bowers. He was out in the eastern plains, he said to us, and he saw a few burrowing owls in the area. So if you have any cool pictures that you want to send us, animals or weather in the area, you can send it to the weather team. Email us at weather@koaa.com, and you have a chance to be featured. Now for current temperatures, 78 degrees here in the Springs. We are still hanging on to those 80s this evening down in Pueblo. La Junta, 87 degrees, so definitely a warm evening across the Arkansas River. Closer to Woodland Park, though, 68 degrees. This evening, we will continue that decline. Now, live look at Pueblo. We are dealing with clear skies at the moment. Humidity levels 24% and easterly winds around 7 miles an hour. The other place that we saw some warm temperatures today was Canyon City. That has since declined to 79 degrees. Humidity levels very similar down in Pueblo. In northeasterly breeze about 9 miles an hour out in Canyon City this evening. So overnight lows, we will continue to decline into those 60s. It'll still be a very warm evening though. We won't really get into those 50s like what we usually see. Now for highs tomorrow, we will get back into those 90s here in the Springs. We'll get back into the triple digits down in Pueblo. Definitely a hot one along the Arkansas River. We'll have some more 90s for the southern I-25 corridor. Woodland Park, you can expect 85 for your high and then 98 for Canyon City. So another warm day, and it is to blame on this high pressure system that is currently sitting over much of our state. So it'll take a little bit for that high pressure system to move out of the area. So this high pressure system that is currently sitting over the southeast is also helping to bring in those hot conditions at least through the beginning of the week. Now that will continue to break down, but that's also going to help to increase the moisture here across the state, increasing our storm potential going into Tuesday evening, and then we'll increase that as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. Now there is a potential for some flash flooding as we go into the later part of this week, specifically Wednesday into Thursday as well. So where you see that purple color, that dark purple color, we could see between 1 to 2 inches of rainfall within that short amount of time. So this is the 5-day precipitation outlook. So it is looking like we are going to have quite the soaker as we go throughout this week. Here's that flash flooding risk, specifically looking at Wednesday and Thursday, I'm thinking, because that's when we're likely going to see that heavy rainfall. And into Friday too, since we're going to have a couple days of heavy rainfall, the soil can only take in so much water. So I think Friday will definitely be a day to watch as well. So going into Wednesday, 5 a.m. early on, we'll start off with showers, and it's going to become very widespread going throughout the day. That is going to last overnight. We'll see multiple waves of rain that will also move through the area going into early Thursday morning as well. Here are the next 7 days and what you can expect. So I think we'll stay dry going into your Monday. That record is 96. I don't think we'll quite break that, but it's definitely going to be a hot day nonetheless. Looking ahead to Wednesday, heavy rain will be possible. Here's that rain chance by hour picking up as we go throughout the day, and we'll drop below average 4-hour highs as we get into the middle of this upcoming work week. Pueblo, 101 degrees. I don't think we'll quite break that record. It is 103. We will likely stay dry through Tuesday, and then rain chances pick up going into Wednesday. Canyon City, 90s expected through Tuesday. Small chance for some rain Tuesday, but we'll pick that up going into Wednesday. Woodland Park, we'll have some higher chances of rain across the area.